Attendance doesn't automatically go into grades. However, students can see it. So here's an example student. They can go into assessment attendance themselves and they can see how well they're doing in class attendance. They can see the details by clicking on class attendance and seeing the days that they're absent or late or whatever. So the way to move the data from, as an instructor, from attendance into grades is first, I'm going to make a column in grades for this. Now attendance, if I go into assessment attendance and I go into class attendance, I can see that the score is out of 100. And so that's what I'm going to make my grade column. If I'm going to grades, manage grades, and then new item and numeric, and I'm going to call it attendance. And I'm going to make it out of 100. In my class, it's worth 10%, and then save and close. So there it is. And then I'm going to go into enter grades, and I'm going to export this column. So I'm going to hit export, and then it doesn't matter what the key field is, but keep points grade on and sort it by first name, last name, and it doesn't matter after that. So as long as it's first name, last name, because that's the sorting order that it comes out of attendance. And then I'm going to, normally everything is selected, but I'm going to unselect everything and only select attendance. And I'm not going to export to Excel, I'm going to export to CSV because this is the format that can be re-imported in. So it's building it and download, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to minimize this because I'm going to now go get my attendance. So I'm going to go to assessment attendance, and I'm going to go into class attendance and I'm going to export all data. It'll build it, and here it is. I'm going to open it up. And I can see all my names, and at the end I can get my percentages. Now I could save this if I wanted to. I'm just gonna go view freeze panes so I can scroll and see what the number is for each of these people. I'm going to spot check it in a minute to make sure it's correct. But notice that the names are in alphabetical order by first name, and I'm going to copy select it and copy all the attendance numbers, and then I'm going to paste it here. And it just do a spot check. Cade has 91, and sure enough, Cade has 91. So it's calculating it properly. Now I'm going to save this CSV file and minimize it and close. And I'm going to go back to grades and import. And then I'm going to choose the file, and it's the most recent one. This one, it's the grade export one, and open it and continue. There were no errors. If there were, they'd show up here, and that's good. There's none. Go continue. And here's another chance for you to do a spot check if you want. Cade does have 91. And then import. And there it is. It's been imported into the class.